I like the traps that have most to do with people's karma. Lying in that pool of blood in Saw 1, would you consider that a trap? It's a trick. It's an illusion. It's a quiet part of the trap that doesn't reveal its ugly head until late in the game. So I like that one. And frankly, one of my very favorites is here, the pigs. The pigs come to play in Saw 3. And there's a judge in a vat. And I remember in the 60s, we used to call law enforcement pigs. And so the judge and the pigs, they kind of went together. It was a judge who had been very insensitive in his judgments. So I loved the pigs, loved the needle pit that Shawnee Smith gets into in Saw 2. When I say loved, I'm not sure that word is appropriate, but fascinated by. I like the traps that have most to do with people's karma.
No, it's not creepy at all.